Hey, YouTube, Rumble. Yeah, good afternoon. It don't get no better than this. Monday, I call the school. Say I haven't received my next module yet. She goes, well, give it a couple more, give it till Wednesday, call back if it's not there, and we will priority mail you out one. Okay. So today I get up, still no call from home health to set up therapy. So I said, well, I'll give it till lunchtime. And I'll call them. So I call. They're like, well, we've submitted it and they've denied it. We're appealing it. I'm like, what? They denied sending me to a facility and they opted to send me home for home therapy. It'll be another 48 hours before that happens. When it goes downhill quick. Oh. And you folks that are commenting on my previous video about don't rush driving. One, I got paperwork that says no driving restrictions. Two, I drive a small car. I can put my butt on the seat, but I can't get turned enough and pull that leg up high enough to get in the car. So there is no driving. Just so you know, I'm not driving. It's enough to make a drinking man go sober. But it's a beautiful day out. Mom just took young Mr. Bradley to work. He was supposed to be off tonight, but they called. People calling off. That's what really sucks about that line of work. But not only is he going to work the second shift, but he's also going to work the third shift. So, the beautiful Miss Julie, who should be coming over to watch the game tonight and have some homemade veggie soup that my mother's in there making now. She makes some really killer soups. She will get me safely tucked into bed. The government needs to stay out of the insurance industry. Period. Hospitals should not be a for-profit business. They should charge enough to cover everything instead of, well, that's going to dip into our profits way too much. Denied. Oh. having a text conversation with Onion. You know, Onion's a pretty cool guy, but he's got some OCDs. And as soon as I'm able, I will change the flags around. I knew that, but for whatever reason, it just, at least I got the stars to the left. I learned that lesson a few years ago from another viewer. I remember that conversation. Oh, muscle spasm. Hello. Pain pill kick in, will ya? Anyways, you know, he says he doesn't want to offend me. Trust me, people, nothing you say will offend me. I just don't have that emotion in my body. I don't get offended. As long as you don't mind me telling you my opinions. Kind of even swap out there, right? Right. Julie went to the grocery store for me and got me my my bologna. Had that for lunch. Oh, it was so good. Fried bologna. Got me some kettle corn. I've been having a hankering for some kettle corn ever since I was in the hospital. Don't know how I got it, but I got it. But anyways, mighty good. Then she got me my ham and my, excuse me, I gotta adjust. My chicken salad. I like to have a little snacky before bedtime, so I smack that stuff on some crackers. A little hot sauce. Woo. Mark, TPI Mark, I appreciate your son's comments. Is that it? Whatever, I appreciate your son. If I come across any stuff that would fall into the category of what he wants, I'll send it along. The only thing I really have left from those days is my backpack, and don't think he should be wearing that because it could get rough. So I won't send that, but I'm sure I got some pins or something somewhere. I just gotta find the boxes they're in because 90% of my stuff is still boxed up from when I moved in a year ago, which will help when it comes time to move again because it's already boxed up. So I think that's enough for today's little rant. And yes, I am very lucky and blessed to have Julie, young Mr. Bradley here to help me out. Especially Julie. Did you guys know there's a city in Texas called Ding Dong? Road King Piper just told me there's also a Screaming Woman Creek. Where do these people come up with these names? Anyways, I'm gonna roll. Well, I'm not gonna really roll because I think that's how I got in this situation to begin with. I rolled on the ground. But I'm gonna go watch some videos, wait for dinner later, the game, Gonna watch the game with Julie. She might even turn me into a baseball fan. I might actually have to get a jersey or something. Oh, and when I called back to the school today, and the lady says, well, wait a couple of days. I said, no. I said, I already heard that line on Monday. And they told me Wednesday you would send it out priority. And she goes, no, I just looked up the tracking. It'll be delivered tomorrow or the next day. Now, why couldn't the first one look up the tracking and tell me where it was at? How come we have to do their job just so we can do our job? I haven't had a good rant video for a while. It was time. Hope you're well, hope you're safe. Every day's a school day. If you're not learning, you're being left behind. Just look at the people we deal with every day. Go be kind. I'll see you soon.